is being built near Cherry Lane and McCormick Road. And if things go the way they have been, it's going to be a hot summer for baseball players. And that is for sure. Boy, hot out there today, Ted.
Oh, yeah. Temps well into the 90s, Gina. But at least it's a dry heat.
It is.
Silver lining.
There
And
we
we've got
go.
a nice wind blowing, too. The problem is the wind and the dryness have fueled the fires today. And of course, precision's clear. Just a few little fair weather cumulus clouds popping up here and there in the daily heating. Now, there are storms to our northwest, right on the periphery of the heat wave. These are heat advisories and excessive heat warnings on the East Coast. So the heat wave is kind of in two lobes. There's a chunk here and there's a chunk out here. These are excessive heat warnings, fire weather warnings, and this cold front producing all the storms up in Minnesota and all the flooding in that area is slowly headed our way. And as it separates the two heat waves, it'll pull in a little chunk of cooler air in here for later this week, but it will be very, very dry air. So if you get rain tomorrow, it's going to evaporate quickly. Fire danger goes up pretty high once again. On the outlook, the main theme of this weather story, at least we've got a few storms in the forecast for tomorrow. They'll pop during the afternoon, 40% coverage, so a lot of the area will stay dry. Gets a little bit cooler, but with that cooler weather, a very, very dry northeast wind and the fire danger going right back up. A couple storms early next week, and it looks like it may turn a little bit cooler, and then another heat wave get right back in here. Lows tonight, 70 to about 73. Another warm one, 72 at Lafayette, 72 Fowler, 71 at Maderryville. And hot tomorrow, but you see the cold front coming in from the northwest, so a little bit cooler at Morocco with 89. It will become partly cloudy. A few widely scattered storms, 93 Lafayette, but 94 at Burlington. Humidity creeping up a little bit more tomorrow. Heat index will be around 100. Highs Friday, though, with a lot of sunshine and a stiff north to northeast wind, running low to mid 80s. 86 at Frankfort, 84 at Lafayette, Monticello, and 83 at Winnemac, and a cooler 81 up towards Morocco. Now notice on Futurecast, tonight we're fine, mostly clear. Tomorrow morning we're fine, but here comes the front. Notice tomorrow afternoon, front passing through, just a few scattered storms with 40% coverage. Those quickly get out of here tomorrow night, and then it's back to the dry weather once again as we get into Friday and on Saturday. There's the front I've kind of painted here with these scattered storms for tomorrow. Front goes through. There's your 84 Friday, your 85 Saturday. Front slowly lifts back northward, so it gets hotter Monday and Tuesday as the line of storms comes through Ohio, eastern Indiana. We'll pick up a few storms out of that. But what's interesting, the front, we were kind of talking about this yesterday, is the front going to go here? Is it going to go here? Looks like it's going to be pushed to the southwest. So Wednesday, 83. Stiff northeast winds, same thing Thursday. Reason being, we could have a tropical storm forming off the coast of Florida, perhaps another one in the Gulf of Mexico, and it looks like these will merge into one big low pressure over the northeast. That will keep a little cooler air coming in, but by early July, the cool air will pull away, and eventually, I think early July, that heat wave will re-expand. So it'll get cooler briefly, but then the heat wave returns once we get into the early part of July, specifically around July 4th. 7-day forecast, 93 tomorrow. We're into the 80s Friday and Saturday, 90s for 3 days, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week we'll be back to the 80s before the big heat wave in the plains re-expands like you saw on that map. And I still think we're looking at 100 degrees come early July around here.
Speaking of the immediate future tomorrow, boy, hope you're part of that by tiny percent.
Yeah, a lot of places won't get anything.
Okay.
We'll hope.
That's right. Chad, thank you. Well, next, antibiotics.